Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca and welcome back to my sewing room. Or I guess today I should say my hairstyling room, because today I have for you a very quick, very simple tutorial to do a chignon hairpiece. I've had a couple of requests for this tutorial as it's a hairpiece that I use in a lot of my hairstyling. And in fact, having a simple chignon hairpiece in your hairpiece collection can really serve you for any era from the 1800s, as in the Regency period, all the way up through all of the Victorian era and into the Edwardian era and the 19-teens. So this is an extremely versatile hairpiece that I think everyone should have at least one of in their collection. Heck, they're so easy to make them in some different styles and different sizes, and you can take yourself from day to evening and from Regency to Edwardian. So let's go ahead and dive into this tutorial. This is the type of hair braid that we're going to be using. This is a 100% Chignon, I don't know how to pronounce this word actually, jumbo hair braid that I got from your average hair store. So a place that will sell wigs, hair supplies, hair pieces, etc. There's usually like one in every couple towns I find in my area, and that is where you can get these. I recommend getting them in the store because then you can go in and get the best hair match for your hair. Now, you might not find one that is perfectly exactly your hair, but you should get whatever's closest, and you can always hide the join with either your own hair or some flowers or ribbons or a hat or etc. But this is all you need to start doing your chignon besides a handful of bobby pins. The way these hair pieces work is that they have a rubber band in the center, and otherwise it's just the same strands of hair. These are fake hair, by the way, but it's just one strand that starts down here, comes up here, and then comes down here again. So you can do this one of two ways, depending on how long you want to be coiling. You can either use your hair just like this and braid starting here and finishing here, or you can carefully undo the rubber band from here and put it on an end instead and have a very long braid. This though can be very messy, so I don't necessarily recommend it just because I feel like no matter what you do, you will lose some hairs if you do that. Keeping it in the center does do a better job of keeping your hairs contained. Now, what you want to do is you want to secure this rubber band to something. Normally, when I'm braiding this type of hair, I will actually put this on a hook that is on the back of my bathroom door and close the bathroom door and braid it that way, particularly if you have a really long piece that you're braiding. That's really nice. For today, I'm going to attempt to put it on the bottom of my tripod that has a hook and hope that I don't pull the tripod with me. So what we want to do is we want to divide this into 3 for your average 3-part braid. Once you have divided it into 3, you can start braiding this hair. Once you have gotten to a point where you can no longer braid the ends because you've run out of length, secure this with a small rubber band. I'm using a clear plastic one, but you don't have to. Now unsecure it from your starting point. And then this just gets twisted around to form the chignon. So I always like to kind of start with this end of the twist just because we really want all of this tail hidden. So this is going to be the inside. So tuck the tail down and then start wrapping. And you're just going to kind of wrap it like a spiral. And secure with bobby pins as you go. On the underneath side, of course. It doesn't matter where these bobby pins are, because this is the back side, this is going to be against your head. And then once you get to the other end with the rubber band, you just want to tuck that end under as well, making sure to put a bobby pin through your rubber band so that it doesn't pop out while you're wearing it. If your bobby pins feel like they want to pop out like mine was just trying to do, go ahead and put another one in across the first bobby pin. Cross bobby pins are always more secure, and this type of hair is really quite thick, so it's going to have a tendency to want to pop your bobby pins out. Once you've gotten your main bits secure, you want to go from the front side and see where it might be coming apart, like I'm having some right here in the spiral. And I want to put a couple bobby pins in from the front side as well. So I'm gonna put one here. You just wanna grab a little bit of the hair and then basically push it to the inside. And also here at the end, I'm doing the same thing and stabbing that in to the inside. And I think I'll do one more over here because this was the other end. And that's it. There's our chignon. So now when you go to do your hair, you have almost a little bit of a divot here where you can put either all of your hair in a little bun if you have shorter or thinner hair like I do, or you can put just a little pin curl. You want something to be able to secure this to your hair. So whatever it is, you can put it right in the center there. And then I like using the large wig pins to push through underneath. If you've seen any of my hair tutorials, you've probably seen me do that, but you just push through underneath so that you can secure into that bun. But that's all that you have to do. So super, super easy. You can use this for almost anything from the 1800s all the way through the 19 teens, I would say. How's that for like the quickest video ever from me? I know I do tend to make longer videos usually, but this is such an easy thing to make that it really only needs a super short video. So I do hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Leave me a comment down below if you are planning to make your own chignon to use for your own historical hairstyles. Also, if you have any questions about anything to do with historical hairstyling or making these chignons, please also comment that down below. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please go ahead and click the thumbs up icon. And if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, please go ahead and click subscribe and the little bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. I do post videos here on YouTube twice a week with my sewing vlogs on Tuesdays and my new day for my other content, Saturdays. But I post every day over on my Instagram, so please go follow me on Instagram. That's @LadyReccaFashions. And if you'd like to support me in all of the work that I do on this channel, there is a link to my Ko-fi account down below. Once again, thank you so, so much. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy sewing!